So welcome back. If you remember at the end of the last video, I had created 3 exercises, the perfect ascending cadence, mi, re, do, which is another perfect ascending cadence, and then the one that only shows the bass and soprano, mi, re, do. And now what I want to talk about is this playlist feature here, and you can think of those as units. If you're creating a course, this is basically a way for you to start sequencing the exercises that you're creating for your students to use. So I'm actually going to go to the dashboard here as well. And if I go to the exercises, you'll see that it's identical because I'm logged in as a single user. Here I'm zoomed in more, so it looks different, but it's the same. If I go to playlists, you'll notice that I don't have any playlists, and I can hit new and create a new playlist. The name of the playlist has to have just letters, numbers, hyphens, no spaces. It's going to be important that you do that. If you don't, if I just write A, B, C like that, and I say save, the program tells me that that is not a valid name for a playlist or for a unit. So I'm going to call this Unit 1 PAC, Perfect Ascending Cadences. And then here I can put in the exercises that I want to put into Unit 1. And what I need to do is just copy these exercise IDs and paste them here. Then if I hit save, I have this unit now. And I can ask for different transpositions. We're not going to do that right now. But you can actually ask the program to transpose it into different keys. What is important, if you want to share this with another instructor, this is not to share with your students, but if you want to share this playlist with another instructor, then you have to click share here. Otherwise, this will be a playlist that only you can see. By default, we create the exercises as being shared, but the playlist not. So if I save and close, see now I have this unit here. Now if I load it, I'm back to exercise mode, but now you can see it says exercise 1 of 3, meaning we have these 3 exercises now sequenced in this order. So if I play the first, now I could do it again. I could start over, or I could move to the second exercise. And now I get this, our second exercise. And it says exercise 2 of 3. And then I can go to the last one. If you remember, we didn't have the inner voices here. And we can play them. So I'll go back to the dashboard. So now we have this unit here starting to be created. We can, you see it shows up now in my activity because I've played it. Even though I'm the teacher, I've played it, so it will show up in my activity. If I look under my playlists, it'll also show up under my playlists. So this is the way you can start to create sequenced materials for your students. I hope this was helpful and hope to see you again in the next video.